heard? Am I heard?
Yes.
Copy hearing in-game.
Nope. Good evening, everyone. Peaches raid. Sorry, Berry and Choco. Please go to Jade Fort. Elite will be handled by Sobi and Grid. But you will be the attack one. You can attack early at Black Fort. Elite can attack Black Fort at the start.
Prin. Mic is very low in-game.
Ready Jade Fort. Ready Jade Fort. Go. Jade Fort. Cabbage, maling party ka.
Elite team goes straight to M in Blackford. They're still not yet.
Putang ina, nalaglag bobo.
Elite take Black Fort. Holding currently Jade Fort is clear. We'll check. Yeah, on second floor. Jade Fort is being attacked on second floor but still being held. They're already going to M-Box. Yeah. Break fast, then Elite help. Help Jade Fort. Currently help Jade Fort. Elite. Jade is help.
Moving back. That's good.
Left Jade Fort first now. I'm checking Gold Crest.
Those in Jade, more on the number 3 side. Prepare.
Jade number 3. How is Jade? Update on Jade.
Kaya.
We're clearing them. We're pushing them out from Emperor.
Copy that.
There is fight still here in number 1. If anyone wants to join, but it's about to end.
Don't worry about Gold Crest clear.
Pushing them out to Earth.
Isa ko naman, lagi party ko.
Wala kang party, men.
Wala akong party.
Chichi, kita kayo ka sumali.
Wala ako. Oo nga pala. Ba't mo ako pa? Ito.
Gold crest clear, gold crest clear.
Dami, dami.
Don't worry. Focus Jade for now, focus Jade.
We still have Earth. Regroup. If you're defeated, this point.
Nasa Blackford.
Ano, it's full.
Saan yung school? Jade? I'm inner.
Copy.
Gold crest 50%.
Yeah, healing. Nasa si Q. Ito. Gold, hold on, gold crest clear. Blackford clear. Can push out, elite can push out. Push.
Try to get out into inner.
We can retake gold crest. It got taken down by flags. Elite can retake gold crest.
Elite going gold crest.
Copy that. Can spread out for now, elite. Can spread out for now. Gold crest for now, Pao. Gold crest for now.
Wait for it.
Yeah, true. Take after that, after gold crest, take antler later.
Blackford for
Copy.
defensive.
Copy, everyone Blackford. Chocoberry Blackford now.
We need to send attacking as well.
Elite.
Elite
Hunter.
will...
Hunter. Hunter.
Handler.
Hindi, walang bounty.
No,
There's
not
bounty in
bounty.
Antler.
Oo nga. Bounty mo.
Nightingale.
30 seconds. Exit first.
Bounty.
Yeah. Everyone Black Fort except Elite, Nightingale.
Loy, patay.
Elite, make sure you're in HQ to enter.
Black Fort now, Chocoberry. Black Fort now.
8 seconds. Right.
Elite go to Nightingale.
Ano natin to?
Get flags, Black Fort, get flags, Black Fort. Push out to second floor, Black Fort. We need to get flags. How is Nightingale update?
Going.
Elite probably wait first in Earth. They have heavy
Right po.
defense here. We'll all go together. Wipe them out here in inner. Then we regroup on Earth.
Push. Inubusan niyo pa.
Push through.
Loy patamban.
As soon as Earth is taken, enter on the left side, Elite team in Nightingale. Stand by.
Are we good? Black Fort,
Going. Elite going.
So help Black Fort. Prior is Black Fort.
We can wipe this group first.
Para ito.
We got 2 minutes. We got 2 minutes to try that. Bring in more people.
Those that died, if you respawn, go past on the right side. Since they're now heavy focusing on left. Oh, they have a galaxy. Can you spawn on water?
Everyone, let's Berry. Please join Nightingale. Berry, please join Nightingale.
Prin, I can't check map. Is there a different target? They're heavily defending this one.
They're already cleared. We can. Don't worry, we can. We'll prior flags, some of. Try getting water. Let's go, regroup at regroup at water. Soil.
Prin,
Start.
We're getting water.
I'm gonna break the gate bomb.
2 minutes. Can push a lot of people on fire right now.
Enter.
Enter. A lot of people fighting for fire. Can enter. I think we have 1 minute. How is M?
Oh, lag is real.
Lag is real nga. Okay lang. Left side is entrance is open.
Left side broken.
30 seconds.
Left side open.
Go. Try to push.
25. Still, if you're here, you can equal. 15 seconds now. 88. Okay. No, 8 seconds. We already wiped, but don't have enough breaker.
Puta, nahulog.
Fort
No,
wipe,
good,
black
good,
fort wipe.
All good.
Okay.
My bad. We heavily put too much people on Black Fort. It wasn't attack. Should have sent more people to attack.
Masagi na lang to.
Yeah, can take. Don't worry. Black Fort starting to be heavy with Blacklist, I think. Let's try.
They chose to defend Nightingale over the others. Elite will go back to Gold Crest for now, so we can complete the level 3 for the others
Copy, can.
while waiting
Yeah, holding Black Fort. No problem with Black Fort. Actually, Elite can push if they want. No
Crest?
problem. No problem holding Black Fort.
Yeah, we'll take Gold Crest.
Okay.
Elite Gold Crest. Chocoberry stay at Black Fort for now.
So the
Push up. Chocoberry at Black Fort. Push up.
Happy. Much na sa slots lang.
Push out. People at Black Earth. People at Black Earth. Black Fort. Sorry, Black Fort. Push up. Push up. We need flags. Yeah.
Oh, nabibigla.
7.
Heavy. Going in. Emperor is open.
Spectrum right open. It's all open. But they have 44 defenders already. Careful.
Heavy. Okay, good. I'll go upstairs.
I'll beat them.
No. I'll go from behind. Clean. Dami.
Moving
They're
to
dying. They're
Daw. Yun, namatay. Arbitan namatay. Dami.
Now breakers focus on the Emp, Warlocks, and Genies. Guard the stairs. Gold Crest down to 37.
Copy that. Holding Black Fort. Black Fort pa rin. Yeah, bro. Namatay ako.
You get gold crest taken.
taken.
Copy that. Let's hold for next bounty.
Waiting for bounty.
Yeah, clear out. Elite people that took Gold Crest, please clear out.
Okay.
Yeah, clear out Gold Crest for now. Black Fort is fine.
Adding take lens.
Clean up for now. Black Fort right side, number 5, Emp room. People are coming in.
Double punched him.
Bounty, checking bounties.
Prin, we need to defend Nightingale for quest. And then
Copy that.
attack.
Copy that.
We can take Bunny or Shark Share.
I'll hold out on Nightingale for now.
Horizon have too many bounties to death.
Can.
All flags taken.
Which we go? Which one? Which one elite goes?
Bunny.
19. Night.
Bunny.
We don't defend.
It will be faster for us if we attack Sunset because it's gonna be inner right away. By the way, exit HQ.
No, but tier 2. Tier 2, we need tier 2.
We need tier 2.
Get Horizon. Get Bunny. They are defending 3. It's gonna be easy to take.
Amat Bunny.
Go Bunny.
That's exactly na.
Chocoberry stay at Blackfort. Don't worry about Nightingale.
Okay, cool. Spectrum
Yeah, go Bunny elite. They're prioritizing the other one. Bunny.
Heavy. Spectrum heavy.
Spectrum heavy Bunny.
Just delay them.
Need more numbers.
No.
No, they.
Sabay-sabay na pumasok.
Copy that.
Sorry na.
Oh, that's fast.
Ano yung feelings? Why are you trying to hit Selby? Diba?
Go straight and they're not responding. Those in Bunny go straight and.
Type in team. Okay.
After you take that, elite, go to Sharkshire. We'll try to take 2. Nightingale is fine. No problems on Nightingale. Update on Bunny.
We're just entering Emperor.
Copy that.
Watch out for any spectrum breakers though. They might get molested.
I'm killing Spectrum people as well.
Tang ina naman.
Nahulog ka.
Nahulog si Cab. Uy! Puta, nahulog din ako.
Update.
Breaking M, 77%.
Go to Sharkshire after.
Let Pau kill. GX focus on M please, because we can't hit.
You have 2 minutes to take Sharkshire after that, if you want to try.
Drop Frozen please before the end. I mean in the M. Because there's still some spectrum people here. Hindi kita ma-restrict. Why?
Gusto ba?
There. I can see.
Thank you. No, what the fuck?
Hit the M. Let the Warlocks kill the enemy. We got.
Copy, try to go to Sharkshire.
Sharkshire inner heavy.
But heavy def. You can try.
Oh, Sharkshire.
No. Too late for that 1 minute. Def Nightingale, Blacklist trying to attack. Elite go to Nightingale. Blacklist trying to attack. I don't think we have enough 1 minute for the take.
Yeah, only Pau can reach Emperor with the moonlight.
Zoom.
My move speed will not make it.
Iwan
ako eh. Iwan ako para zoom.
He was already cheating last week because he can blink from entrance to M. Now he has Woodland.
They're taking flags. They're taking Earth.
Hey, we can push out. We can push out. We can push out. Stop them from taking flags.
Taking fire.
Hoy, Emprom. Equal.
And from accept those in equal. Drop your frozen.
Fine.
Drop frozen and water. For force.
Wipe. Yeah, just wipe. Not late.
My UI just rendered dead people already. What?
Flags are taken now. Outer flags are taken.
Copy that.
Quest check.
Take back Earth.
Capture the level 3 bounty within 2 minutes.
Elite. Start taking antler. Elite, start taking antler. So that we have less easier places to hold. Nightingale is fine. We are controlling Nightingale. Don't worry about Nightingale. Nightingale is fine.
Where are we going? Good.
Antler.
Where are we going? Antler away.
Yeah. Leave. Ano muna? Leave. Don't mind Gold Crest. Don't mind Gold Crest. Just leave it open. If someone takes, we'll retake later.
Antler.
Yep, antler. For elite.
Wala. Kaya. Breaking na.
Hindi nabot. Okay?
Ka-enter.
Enter ako.
Render. Please sank Emp at Nightingale. Yeah, sank Emp.
Two minutes to last bounty. Someone take our gold crest.
Nightingale still clear. Nightingale still clear.
One minute to bounty.
We are defending Black Fort for 1 minute bounties.
2 castles.
Oh, still Nightingale.
Nightingale also.
Can break that.
We can take Spectrum. Spectrum has 4 bounty castles. We can take Grizzly. Probably.
No, we'll def 2. We'll def the 2 ones.
Ah, okay. Defending.
Big Antler.
Almost done at ano.
Chocoberry, please Blackfort. Chocoberry, please go to Blackfort. Everyone else, Nightingale. Elite after taking Antler, go to Nightingale.
65%.
Let's see what's heavier.
Big Gale, right?
Nightingale after.
Def.
No, can push Grizzly, Antler. I'll just recall if
Okay.
needed.
Okay.
Grizzly.
Yeah. Get Grizzly. They're not attacking Nightingale.
Change priority castle.
Nightingale pa to.
Thank you, Grid. We have 5 castles currently.
Yeah, most likely the one that would be give up is Antler.
I hope it's the tier 3 that we give up.
I haven't set up if the one that will go away first.
Ah, okay. Just pass through code GN and elite team. Dropping Obli at entrance. Just play straight and wow, why you so fast?
Zoom.
People at Blackfort can help Grizzly.
Same time, everyone, let the GX. All minicast focus on the M. Orlux and non-minicast focus on killing. Facing number 3, the stairs, many people there.
Left side open.
We're already in M, sorry.
Okay.
Alright, break M. We don't have GX here yet. Shit!
I'm here.
Fuck. Taken. Good job.
Good job, everyone. Just holding for the last 1 minute of bounties.
Do we help?
We already have 5 max castles currently, so
No, we're not being attacked.
you can play around for now. And go Lionheart if you want blacklist. Or try Spring. Try Spring. 1 minute though.
Try Spring!
Try Spring Elite, but I think it's too late. 1 minute.
1 minute from 3.
Yeah, but
I don't know, we're from inner. Maybe we can.
Spring?
Spring.
Heavy.
Delaying me.
Heavy and we're fully dead.
40
30
seconds.
seconds. Go, go, go. Dropping.
If Pao was GX, he can break this, but he's Warlock.
Watch him.
30 seconds.
Watch him. Watch him.
I already saw him pass me.
And seconds.
Na pa rin, di ka.
Too
Bago.
late, too late. It's too late. We can hold out for now. We can hold out for now.
I mean,
Only 4 seconds.
Don't break. It's
Never
tier 1.
mind.
Jog out. You can play around for now.
Blade Fort, 11 Horizon. Oh, Blacklist Sailor. So, Jade Fort at Blade Horizon.
Ano ko na pakiramdam na Eos, gago.
This is how.
We were not making anyone castle-less. That's not us. That's why we're color red. The Fire Nation.
They're attacking, you guys, sneaky in the end, I see all of you, one fight. Ruko.
We can hold out for the last and just play around. Just don't break too much castles.
Okay.
There's someone in the end, but I think Nightingale. Just
play around if you want. Just prioritize defending.
Medyo may...
Jade Fort. Have Jade Fort if they need.
Jade Fort, okay.
Is there a way we can lose a tier 3 castle in preparation for next week?
Pwede yun. Basagin natin kagad, 2 minutes.
But no one will attack us.
Yeah, unless Horizon takes it. I don't
Eh,
mind.
bigyan niya na, binigay niya.
Yeah, give it to Horizon. We'll take Bunny at the last minute. Oh, not Bunny. We can take... yeah, Bunny. Give Jade Fort. Give Jade Fort. Give them Jade Fort. You can hold it out, pero we'll give it in the end if they attack it.
Nagago, namatay ako.
ano naman ako sa
Thank you.
okay. Blackboard?
No, clear. Yeah, we got the bounty, bro, Yuto.
We'll give them
Give
Jade
Jade.
for.
Yeah, give Jade.
Okay, what are we taking?
Take a tier 2 after.
We need to give Jade first. What will we lose? How do we know which castle we lose?
Oh yeah, true. Well, at least we'll lose. So that's not sure. I think
We
still
lost
also-
Antler because Antler was taken before we got Grizzly as bounty earlier.
Oh, it's not last. It's last in, first out, not first in.
Yeah. And nothing was lost because Antler was taken before you broke
Yeah.
Grizzly.
Oh, they took money. Okay, yeah, boys.
Magdi-DP ba sila Yami Deshi, Pao?
Hindi ako sure.
Okay, shark siya.
Looks like they aren't taking Jade Fort though.
They did not fall for the trap.
Can I message them?
Please stay. Sabihin nyo, please take.
Who will benefit if we... Someone that will go rank 3. Oh, they're already rank 3, that's why Horizon. If they take it, they can be rank 2.
Punta grid?
Hmm?
Punta up?
Wala.
Wala pa.
Chilling.
Shit.
Parang bigyan natin yung... We're giving Jade Fort, right?
Yeah.
There's still people inside the grid.
Elite starts pushing Lionheart.
Lionheart?
Start pushing Lionheart now. Ay, 3 minutes. I think we can take 3 minutes.
Lionheart? Okay.
Yeah.
But we still have 5 castles. What will we lose?
We will lose Jade Fort. Everyone, Lionheart. We'll take it now.
We'll def, huh?
We'll try to take it in the last 3 minutes.
You may call me Taz Walker, guys.
You have 3 minutes to take.
Already talking to the GM of Horizon.
Ba't di na rin itong ascend? Kasi kukunin natin yung sa kanila.
Ito na.
Kahit sino.
Already here.
Heavy, ah. Medyo slightly heavy. Anyone
Gago,
pass my
na-fear ako.
fort?
Gago, na-fear ako sa portal.
Two minutes to take. 2 minutes 30. Rush amp.
Taking towers.
No, don't take.
At least
Delay
one.
mga
Another one.
chargers.
Horizon can't commit because they are also defending.
They full this.
Well,
We'll just scare this if they won't take Jade Fort.
Yeah.
Just scare Lionheart. We won't take Lionheart.
We won't?
We won't break.
Why? Okay.
It's okay, they can take it next week as long as it's before bounty.
Yeah.
So we won't take this.
Too bad though. They're not anymore rank 3. Top 3.
Hindi natin babasagin, ha?
Don't break.
Mata. Support. Yes. Ascend.
Gold press.
Don't break.
Don't break. Don't break, guys. Don't break.
54%, huh? Serious.
GG's.
GG's, guys.
Enter the Zeta, not very much.
GG's, guys.
GG's everyone. Forget box.
GD.